Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering English in a fun and engaging way. I'm Amin, your friendly English teacher, here to help you navigate the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving into the phrase turn up. Stick around and you'll learn how to use this versatile phrase in different contexts with some easy to understand examples. Let's jump right in. Alright, to turn up has two main meanings. Let's break it down. The first meaning, to arrive. This is when someone arrives at a place. For example, imagine you're having a party and your friends are late. You might ask, when did they turn up? This means when did they arrive? Or picture this. You're waiting for a package. You could say, I wonder when my package will turn up. This means I wonder when my package will arrive. The second meaning, to be found by chance. This one is about something being found unexpectedly. For instance, imagine you lost your keys and then you find them. You might say, look, my keys turned up. This means, look, my keys were found by chance. Or think about losing a book and then finding it under the couch. You could say, oh, my book finally turned up, meaning my book was found by chance. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident using turn up in your conversations. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it shows your support and also help us grow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and also leave a comment below using turn up in a sentence. We'd love to see your examples. See you next time and happy learning.